In this video, we're diving into how to use customer insights in TeamGate CRM. If you're looking for a tool that can help you better understand your customers and streamline your sales processes, then stick around, because we'll cover everything you need to know about TeamGate CRM's customer insights, and also give you some alternatives at the end that could serve your needs even better. TeamGate CRM offers a solid platform for managing customer relationships and optimizing your sales workflow. But it's the customer insights feature that really takes it a step further, helping you gain a deeper understanding of your customer base and make data-driven decisions that improve your sales. First things first, TeamGate gives you a comprehensive overview of all your customer data. By centralizing this data in one place, you can track customer behavior, analyze past interactions, and identify trends that can guide future actions. With real-time data, you can see where your leads are in the sales pipeline and adjust your strategy accordingly. The insights available help you predict customer behavior, giving you a competitive edge when it comes to closing sales. Next thing to note, TeamGate's segmentation feature allows you to categorize customers based on various factors such as behavior, demographics, and deal stage. This segmentation helps you focus on the most promising leads, personalize your communication, and create targeted campaigns. It's great if you're working with a large customer base and need to tailor your approach to specific groups, making your outreach much more effective. The third thing you should be aware of is the reporting capabilities. TeamGate offers a powerful reporting tool that can help you visualize key metrics, such as sales performance, customer engagement, and pipeline progression. These reports provide you with actionable insights, allowing you to make adjustments to your strategies and forecast future sales trends. It's a must-have for teams looking to keep track of their performance and make improvements along the way. Now, let's talk about the fourth thing, TeamGate's integration with other tools. It seamlessly integrates with a variety of applications, such as email, calendar, and third-party marketing platforms. This makes it easier to sync all your customer interactions and data in one central location, which can save you a lot of time and effort. The downside? Well, it's very efficient. The setup process can take a bit longer compared to other platforms. Another thing to keep in mind is that while TeamGate does offer a lot of great features, its interface might not be as intuitive as some other CRM options out there. It takes a bit of time to fully understand all the ins and outs, especially if you're not familiar with CRM software. But once you get the hang of it, the insights you gain are truly invaluable. So, what's the bottom line? TeamGate CRM offers a lot of potential when it comes to understanding your customers and optimizing your sales process. However, if you're after even more robust customer insights, there are other CRM platforms that might be a better fit depending on your specific needs. At the end of this video, I'll be sharing an exclusive extended free trial to TeamGate, but I've also got some amazing alternatives that are even better for those of you who want to go deeper into customer analytics. Plus, they also have free trials. Through our link, you'll get the best deal available, along with exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. Make sure to check the link in the description for those bonuses and to start your trial today.